Charles Darwin was a curious young man with a passion for nature. In 1831, he set sail on a journey that would change the world. Aboard the HMS Beagle, he explored distant lands, from the lush rainforests of Brazil to the Galapagos Islands, teeming with unique creatures. Darwin observed incredible diversity in the natural world. He noticed finches on different islands had beaks perfectly adapted to their food sources. These observations sparked a revolutionary idea, the theory of evolution by natural selection. Darwin's groundbreaking book on the origin of species, published in 1859, shook the scientific community. It presented a compelling explanation for the diversity of life. Darwin proposed that all species, including humans, evolved over millions of years from common ancestors. Darwin realized that all living things face a constant struggle to survive. Resources like food, water, and shelter are limited. Animals compete with each other and their environment. This competition is fierce, and not all individuals survive to reproduce. Within a population, individuals vary. Some may be faster, stronger, or better camouflaged. These variations are not random. They are often inherited traits passed down from parents to offspring. Darwin argued that individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to survive. They are better equipped to find food, escape predators, and attract mates. These successful individuals reproduce and pass on their advantageous traits to their offspring. Over many generations, these advantageous traits become more common. This gradual process is what Darwin called natural selection. Nature, in a sense, selects the traits best suited for survival and reproduction. Darwin found evidence for evolution in the fossil record. Fossils are the preserved remains of ancient organisms. They provide a glimpse into the distant past. The fossil record shows a clear progression of life from simple to complex forms. Scientists have discovered transitional fossils that bridge the gap between different groups of organisms. These fossils provide compelling evidence that species evolve over time. They are like snapshots of evolution in action. Section 5. The Blueprint of Life. So, Darwin's theory was strengthened by the discovery of DNA, the molecule of inheritance. DNA carries the genetic instructions that determine an organism's traits. By comparing the DNA of different species, scientists can trace their evolutionary relationships. Genetic evidence confirms that all living things share a common ancestor. The closer the DNA sequences between two species, the more recently they shared a common ancestor. DNA is like a molecular clock that helps us understand the history of life. Section 6. Evolution in action. Evolution is not just a thing of the past, it is happening all around us. We can see evidence of evolution in our own lifetime. One example is the development of antibiotic resistance in bacteria. When antibiotics are used, bacteria with resistant genes survive and reproduce. Over time, the population becomes dominated by resistant bacteria. This is a clear case of natural selection at work. Now, Section 7. The importance of Darwin's legacy. Darwin's theory of evolution revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. It is the foundation of modern biology. It helps us understand the diversity of life and how different species are related. Evolutionary theory has practical applications in medicine, agriculture, and conservation. It helps us develop new drugs, improve crops, and protect endangered species. Section 8. Evolution, a never-ending story. Evolution is an ongoing process. As long as there is variation, inheritance, and competition, natural selection will continue to shape life on Earth. The environment is constantly changing, and species must adapt to survive. Climate change, habitat loss, and other human activities are driving rapid evolutionary changes. Understanding evolution is crucial for addressing these challenges and preserving biodiversity. Section 9. A final word from Darwin. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection is one of the most important scientific discoveries of all time. It provides a simple yet elegant explanation for the incredible diversity of life on our planet. As Darwin himself wrote, there is grandeur in this view of life.